Good Jabberwocky dance. Alright, y'all, welcome to MGM Grand. This is the next place we are checking out. It's just across the street from the Tropicana. Now, this is considered probably one of the mega properties here on the Strip. One of the biggest by far. The sheer number of hotel rooms, the sheer size of this place, the number of events and shows and restaurants that they have here, unparalleled. Actually, I have no idea where we are. This doesn't look like the MGM that I'm used to. I don't think I've ever been on this side before. Hakkasan's over here. The last time we were here was about a year and so ago. It was for a concert. So when this place does have a concert, I will say this. It gets super packed. And summertime, because it's also got a great beach club and a lot of people coming out here to swim. Yeah, it's packed out here. I do believe last time we were here, the sports bar wasn't open, so I'm gonna go check it out this time. Oh wow, it's big. It's super big. All right. We didn't come through this way last time, right? It's different. Hey, they have one of our favorite games, the horse racing game.
Your favorite?
Actually, it's one of my favorites. Who am I kidding today? I love this game. Because it feels like a video game. Alright, so you got the monitor over there with horses. But then down here, you got actually the horses that are running around. It's so much fun. One of my favorites. Man, I would have bet on one too. I would have won money. Jabberwockies are here. Do a dance. Do a Jabberwocky dance. And yes, David Copperfield, an institution here in Vegas, is still here in Vegas. This is a cool little statue. It's got all his big performances. Remember when he walked through the Great Wall of China? Or when he made the Statue of Liberty disappear? I don't know what that one is, though. Maybe when he was underwater or something? I'm not familiar with that one. By the way, y'all, it is early Friday night, so as you can see, table games are happening right now. Lots of activity, every one of them full. Now this was the place last time that was closed off as well, and now it's open. It's a whiskey bar. Look at that. It's beautiful in here. Right? Look at that. I feel like I need pointer tips on how to decorate my place from Vegas casinos. You know what I'm saying? They do such a good job with the decor in these places. I just want to be able to copy it. Alright, heading to the lobby here. They have a huge lobby here. And they got a Fox fake boxing ring here. Why? Because they have some of the biggest boxing, UFC, fighting shows, events out here in Vegas. It's right here in MGM. Smell pizza. Smells good. In terms of the room quality and the price of the MGM Grand here, it's about mid-tier. Just affordable enough if you find it at certain times of the year. You know, it's a good bargain. But the quality is a lot better than some of the bargain places as part of the MGM properties. And I mean bargain, I'm talking like Tropicana, I'm talking like Luxor. Just talking about the rooms. Actually, I'm talking about the property overall. It's a relatively nice property. Go to top. What is this? Ah, this is tournament play. Usually they have these tournaments for the high rollers, right? People that they know spend a lot of money. So they'll come out here and it's like a competition. Within a certain amount of time, you pull a slot machine and, you know, you get on leaderboards and, you know, maybe you could win some big. And this is the Cirque du Soleil show here in MGM. You know what? There must be some event going on here because they closed everything off. You can't even go in. And that table's lined up. So there must be some event, baby.
No, it's the continuation for that. It's probably the food.
Wow. You get a place to eat too for these tournaments? What's going on? I haven't seen this. I mean, what's your question? You think the entry fee is $1 million for the tournament? No, baby. It's a little last gen still. A lot of the TV screens are not the latest. So the color and brightness, resolution ain't that great. And the TVs are smaller. They definitely could make a lot of TVs here bigger. Let's walk around here. They have a virtual reality experience here. It's a mixed bag, honestly. Like some of them are good, some of them aren't. It just comes down to how they're using the latest technologies or not. This is a pretty rinky-dink arcade. This is it. Now it's goodbye for reals. Where are we going next, Ludette?
Home!
Not yet. We still got Tropicana to go to.